ahead. Do you want to step out of the vehicle since you got the door open?
Yeah, the window's not wrapping.
Okay, that's fine.
Sorry. I'm trying to find a lighter.
Just step out. Kind of like already pulled over before I turn my lights on. Is there a reason?
Oh, yeah, because I was just trying to see what's going on with the truck.
Oh, what do you mean what's going on with the truck?
There's transmission fluid.
Oh, okay. Step right here. Step right here for me. Okay. Do you know the reason why I'm stopping you?
No.
It's your license.
Okay.
So why are we driving?
What's wrong with my license?
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
What's wrong with my license?
You know what's wrong with your license.
No.
Yeah, you do.
What's wrong with my license?
It's suspended. And you have knowledge.
No, I don't. It was supposed to be paid off.
No. You have entered into an agreement with the court for a payment plan. You haven't paid it. And then you actually wrote him a letter.
Yeah, my boyfriend was
telling him you knew that your license was suspended and that you were asking them to take care of the fines.
My boyfriend was supposed to have paid it.
Okay.
He didn't pay
You
it.
know your license is suspended. Where's your driver's license at that you...
It was lost, the one I had.
Go ahead right now, just turn around for me. Turn around.
Why?
Turn around. Spread your feet apart.
What are you doing?
Spread your feet apart. Lean forward at the waist.
Damn. I'm sitting right now.
You want to sit here and lie to me?
I'm not lying.
I know otherwise.
But when he got out of jail, he promised he would pay my freaking thing off.
Try it 312 Fire, Whiskey Foxtrot the same. And where's he at? He's in jail.
Yes, he's in jail. This was before.
Okay. All right. I know that your license is suspended. All right. And you know it too. And you had a choice to be honest with me or lie to me.
I was being honest with you.
Okay.
I was
and you
being
say
honest
it's
with
good.
you.
I know that. I know you entered into a payment plan. And I know that you even wrote in a letter.
Yes, I did. Because
You wrote in a
supposed
letter,
to pay
you
it
know
off
your
for me.
license was suspended and asking the judge
Yes.
to allow like none of the interest or
He was
penalties.
supposed to pay it for me.
Okay. It's your license. You're responsible
Correct.
for it.
It
And
was
you know
something
that
he
it was
offered to do
suspended
for me.
because you acknowledged that in a typed letter to the judge that you signed
At
and
one point in
notarized.
time, yes, I thought it was good again.
It just magically becomes good again?
Because he paid it off.
Okay, so he's got proof that he paid it off? Showed it to you?
No.
You're an adult. It's your issue to take care of. It's not his. And that's why you pulled over on the side of the road, because you didn't want me to stop you.
Because I was checking the freaking truck. It's been acting bad.
Okay, where are you trying to get to right now?
Nowhere. I was driving down the street
Sybil?
so I could relay what was going on with it
To who?
to my friend that was trying to help me fix it.
Oh, okay. Where are you staying at right now? Do you have a place to stay, or are you like...
I've been bouncing around.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, he's been in jail.
Alright.
Please don't
Well, you're being
arrest me.
arrested for driving on a suspended license with knowledge. Alright?
Please don't arrest me.
Well, you know your license is suspended. You tried to sit here and lie to me.
I wasn't
Lying
lying
doesn't
to you.
get you
He promised
anywhere.
me he paid it.
Okay. Alright, so
Please don't
is there
arrest me.
anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, hurt me?
Please. Please. Please.
Not negotiable at this
I
time.
didn't know.
Okay. Well, yes, you did, because you wrote a letter to the court.
Yes,
acknowledging
when he was
your
supposed to have
license
paid
was
it off in
suspended.
30 days for me.
And then if your stuff is paid off, then you go and you get your license, a new license.
I looked up all the fees for him.
Okay. All right. So do you have anything on that's going to poke me,
Please
stick
don't
me,
arrest me.
stab me?
I have no one to get me out.
All right. I need to know if you have something on you that's going to hurt me.
No.
Any narcotics that would, if I am exposed to, is going to hurt me. Heroin, fentanyl. Okay.
Please. Please.
All right. It's not negotiable. I'm just letting you know. I'm not going to sit here and lie to you and say I'm not taking you to jail, and then I will. You're being arrested. You'll be going to jail for driving on a suspended license with knowledge. So that's why I'm asking you to give you the opportunity to be honest with me if you have something on you.
I don't have anything on me.
Okay. I just always ask everybody before I go searching their pockets and their purses. Alright. Stand over here on level ground, because you're like all over these rocks and I don't want you to fall down. Alright?
You didn't know what?
I didn't know it was
explained that
still suspended. I thought you'd care of it.
wrote a letter to the judge acknowledging
Yes.
the suspension on his driver's license, which is
Bill
fine.
told me he was going to take care of it for me when he got out.
And he's still in jail.
He's been arrested like 4 times.
Your responsibility. It's not his. It's your license that's suspended, not his.
Where's that welder at?
I returned it.
To who?
Ask Annie, the detective's name.
Connor? Detective Connor?
Yes.
Oh.
I know you talked to Deputy Green, and you're supposed to meet him, and then you never did. So.
Yep, I never talked to Green.
Or maybe
I met
you
with...
called in or something, and
yeah, because I kept getting a different person answering the non-emergency number, and she gave me a guy's, a detective's
so if
phone
I
number.
call Annie right now,
She'll tell you. Please do. I went and met the detective. I went and did all this stuff. Why wouldn't do that with a suspended license? He followed me.
Alright, just walk over on the passenger side of this Durango over here. First one here.
Can I please smoke a cigarette? Please?
Sure. I'll let you smoke a cigarette.
I'm just asking. Your zipper's down. Is that just by chance?
It wasn't. Yeah, it's just by chance.
Okay. Okay. All right, we'll just walk back here and we'll let you smoke a cigarette.
Can I turn it up?
I'll hold it up.
Zipper.
Oh, you're
Turn it
up.
up.
I'll do it for you.
I mean, nothing's showing. It's just
There's nothing in your pants or stuffed in anywhere where obviously we can't get to. Because you do understand.
No, I don't have any.
Okay, I just let everybody know. I'm not saying that you are, but when you go to the jail, they will do a thorough search of your person to include a body scan. All right, if there's anything inside of you stuffed in there, it's an automatic felony.
Transmission fluid and
Whether it's tobacco, cigarettes, any illegal narcotics, weapons, anything like that. I don't want to see you get anything else than just what we're dealing with right now. There's no sense in making it worse. So just nothing in your underwear, your bra?
No.
Okay. I'm just going to have you sit there, but you can still smoke because I'm just going to have you swing your feet out on the passenger side. Can't smoke?
I'm trying to. It's hard when you don't have a hand.
you say you've been smoking long enough. You know how to
You
smoke
wanna
without your
quit?
hand.
I quit and I started again.
How long did you quit for?
6 years.
What? What are you doing over there?
I've been sitting there.